Ang init dito. Malaki po. Puno there, puno there. Siguro dito tayo sa Malito. Oo nga. Majoy! And guys, di kita nyo si Sis Majoy. Sis, mamaya puntahan kita ulit pag uwi ko ha. Guys, you can connect to Sis Majoy. Our new friend, Majoy Darsa. Saglit lang tong live ko sis. Ayan. Hindi ko makita yung ano, malabo yung mata ko. Masyado yung message. My eyes is so blurry. Blurry eyes. I have a blurry eyes now, guys. So hindi ko masyadong masin yung ibang message at mainit pa din dito. Ayan. Sis Majo, thank you. Thank you din sa support mo sis. You can connect to Case Motivational. She's very supportive guys. And to our new friend Majoy. And to everyone there, thank you so much. Happy Sunday everyone. Waiting kami dito ng masakyan. Waiting. Oh, may kasama ako nag-waiting. Genius. Genius, thank you. Ayan, you can connect to Majoy. Sis Genius and Sis KS. If you're still not connected to Sis Majoy, connect. Happy Sunday. I'm well. I'm okay, Sis Janice. I have extra work now, even if Sunday. I'm waiting for the ride. Janice, you can connect to Sis Majoy. We have 3 minutes to go, guys. 3 minutes to go. Janice, later I'm gonna visit your channel, sister. And I'm gonna visit you with KS Motivational later at night if you have live. And everyone visiting my channel, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Sis Annalyn, thank you. Andyan ka pa sis. Ang init dito. Hindi ko masyadong makita yung My eyes is blurry guys. Hindi pa siya masyadong magaling. Nagbo-blurred pa. Blurred pa din. Waiting for tonight. Ayan, 2 minutes. I'm gonna end my live na. I love you everyone.